Have you ever shot a video only to realize it looks blurry, grainy, or completely low res? Today, we're looking at Wink AI, an AI-powered video and image enhancer that claims to upscale your footage to crisp 4K with just a single click. Whether you're editing on your phone, your desktop, or right inside Adobe Premiere Pro, Wink AI is designed to restore lost sharpness, texture, and fine details to make your clips look professional. Getting started is simple. You can head over to wink.ai and try it for free. If you're on a computer, you can download the Wink desktop client for Windows or Mac. They even have a Premiere Pro plugin if you want to upscale directly inside your editing timeline. For advanced users, Wink features something called Wink Enhancer Skills. By installing their desktop client and running a quick command, npx github/me2/wink-client/install, you can actually use an AI agent to enhance your videos and images using simple text prompts. But upscaling to 4K isn't all this tool does. Wink AI is packed with creative features. It has a powerful video portrait retouching tool that lets you smooth skin, shape your body with 3D tools, and even retouch individual faces in a crowded shot. If you want to get creative, you can turn your videos into stylized art, like anime or digital paintings. Plus, it includes handy utility tools like an AI remover to erase unwanted objects, AI expand to widen your frame, and auto captions to generate subtitles instantly. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. Because we want to be completely honest with you, we don't have a massive library of external user reviews to share today. However, looking at the tool itself, the biggest pros are its incredible versatility, offering mobile, desktop, and Premiere Pro integration, and its specialized optimization for different scenes like concerts, gaming, and portraits. On the con side, if you want to use the advanced developer-style skills on the desktop version, running a command line prompt might feel a bit intimidating if you aren't tech-savvy. Overall, if you have blurry footage that needs a serious facelift, Wink AI is absolutely worth a look, especially since you can try it out for free. Head over to wink.ai, download the version that fits your workflow, and see the difference for yourself. If you found this quick guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let us know in the comments how your 4K upscale turned out.